So let's picture a scenario together. Do you know that two individuals could start a YouTube channel on the same day, get monetized on the same day, have the same amount of subscribers, have the same amount of videos on their channel, and also have the same amount of views on their channel, and yet they are not making the same amount of money? And here are some of the reasons. So I believe you're watching this video because you want to know how much I made on YouTube in my first month of monetization. Well, it's going to shock you. But before I spill that, can you take a quick guess in the comment section? Let me know what you think YouTube actually paid me in my first month of monetization. First things first, if you're watching this video and you already have a YouTube channel, or you're thinking of starting a YouTube channel, but you don't care whether YouTube pays you or not, you don't care about YouTube monetization and all of those stuff, then this video is absolutely not for you. But if you're watching this video and you have started a YouTube channel, or you're thinking of starting, and you hope to get monetization soon, or you are hoping that one day YouTube is going to pay you, then you need to pay attention to everything that I'm going to be sharing in this video. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Maryjoy. I'm an online entrepreneur and I'm also a content creator. Here on YouTube, I share tips, strategies, and opportunities on how to make money online. And I also help new content creators on YouTube who are struggling with their scripts. I also help them with their YouTube scripts. So if you're watching this video and you are a content creator here on YouTube and you're having issues with your YouTube script, don't worry, I'm going to be giving you a free service. But this service is going to be for only the first 5 people that are going to use the link in the description section of this video. So make sure you watch this video to the end, and after you're done, you can send me a message on WhatsApp and we can get started. Remember, it's just for the first 5 people. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on your post notification bell. So let's picture a scenario together. Do you know that two individuals could start a YouTube channel on the same day, get monetized on the same day, have the same amount of subscribers, have the same amount of videos on their channel, and also have the same amount of views on their channel, and yet they are not making the same amount of money? And here are some of the reasons. When starting out on YouTube, the first thing you want to pay attention to is the niche that you are actually going to be creating content on, because the niche that you are will determine how much that you are going to make on YouTube. For example, one of the highest paying niche on YouTube is make money online niche, the social media marketing niche, and the finance niche. Their average CPM is about $13. While some of the lowest paying niche are the cars, lifestyle, fashion, entertainment. Their average CPM is about $2 to $3. Don't worry, I'm going to be leaving this particular screenshot. I'm going to be leaving this on the screen for you to actually see. So I'm actually sharing all of this information not because I want you to actually start creating content on the most expensive niche. No, I just want you to have adequate information so that you can be able to make informed decision, and you can be able to set your goals, and you will not be expecting unrealistic things from YouTube. So what's the meaning of CPM? CPM means cost per mile, meaning how much advertisers are willing to pay per 1,000 views. So for the make money online niche, the finance niche that I already talked about, advertisers are willing to pay an average of around $13, meaning it could actually be lower, it could actually be higher. Sometimes they pay up to around $30. But for a comedy niche, lifestyle niche, fashion, it could actually be lower. So for the scenario I painted earlier, where two persons are actually getting, let's say they're getting 10,000 views on their channel every month. It could actually be more, but this is just an example. They are getting 10,000 views. Let's say the first person is actually creating content on a make money online niche, and our average CPM is about $13. And for the person that is creating content on fashion, entertainment, lifestyle, whose average CPM could be around $3. So one thing you should understand is that for every of your CPM, you are going to be earning 55% of that amount. So let's say your CPM is $13, you're going to be earning around $7. That's how much YouTube is going to pay you. So for example, we have two persons. Person A is a make money online niche whose average CPM is $13, and person B is someone who creates content on entertainment lifestyle, whose average CPM is around $3. Let's say both of them has 10,000 views on their channel every month, and person A is going to be making $7 based on their RPM. Person B could be making around $1.5 per 1,000 views based on their RPM. So calculate this thing. Let's calculate it together. If 1,000 views is going to give you $7, 10,000 views will be giving you $70. For someone who is in the entertainment niche or lifestyle niche, whose RPM is $1.5, for a 10,000 views, the person will probably be making around $10 or around $11. So can you see that disparity? So even though they have similar views, they have the same number of subscribers, they started creating content on the same day, they got monetized on YouTube on the same day, yet they are making different amounts, and the difference is so glaring. So you need to understand, the first thing when you're starting a YouTube channel is your niche, and what is the potential of that niche that you're actually going into, so you can make informed decisions, so you can set realistic goals. So having said that, let me give you a gist of how I started my YouTube channel and how much I actually made in my first month of monetization. So I started posting on YouTube like actively. My first official video was April 29th of 2022, although I uploaded a video before then around March, but my first official video was in April 29, 2022. And from April 29, 2022, I got monetized 19th or 20th of October 2022. And guys, I did not even expect that it was going to be that fast, because I've heard stories of people on YouTube for years and they were not even monetized. They couldn't even get up to 1,000 subscribers. So I actually came with a lot of fear, but I also prepared my mind. I got enough information in order to help me make the right decision. Mind you, to get monetized on YouTube, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. See, 4,000 hours of watch time is for a 12-month period. So meaning that if you post a video on YouTube January 1st, you are expected to get 4,000 hours of watch time by December 31st, 2022. If for one reason or the other you're not able to get 4,000 watch hours, I'm telling you, by January 1st, 2023, it's going to reset back to zero, meaning that all of those hours that you're trying to acquire towards monetization is actually gone. So that is why you need to understand that consistency is very important when you're trying to get monetized on YouTube, especially if you want to get monetized quickly. You need to actually be very consistent with what you're doing. 4,000 watch hours in 12 months is what you need. Once it passes 12 months, it's going to reset back to zero. So like I was saying about my own story, I got my 1,000 subscribers like after 3 months, but I was not monetized till like after 3-4 months. I already had like 4,000 subscribers then when I got monetized on YouTube. And guys, it was a great, I was excited. But let me actually just take you to my laptop screen so you are going to see how much I actually made in my first month being monetized on YouTube. So guys, this is my YouTube analytics, and I've already set it for April 29 to October 31st, 2022. October was when I got monetized, and April 29th was when I posted my first official video. So if you come over to this side, you see that I was just making $0, $0 till about this time. When was this? This was October 18. Okay, so I got monetized October 19th. So you can see on October 19th I made 0.73 cents. I over to the next day. Then the next day was actually made I made $8 the next day, but this number actually dropped like it kept on dropping. Like I said, there are many things that actually affect how much you make on YouTube, which involves the geographical location of the people that are watching your videos and their ages. So guys, to sum it up, I actually made
$33.39 in October, my first month of monetization on YouTube. And that's just for like, I'm going to say like a few days. Let's say for like 10 to 11 days, because October is like 30 days. So for the 10 remaining days in October, I actually made $33.39. Guys, mind you, this figure is not the same for every month. Some months could actually be lower and some months could actually be higher. So let me show you how much I made in the whole month of November, because November was a full month. So this is my record for November, and this is how I went. I was literally making $1, average of $1 per day. It could even be lower than that, but there was a day I actually made about $6 in one day on YouTube. And for the whole of November, I actually made a total of $53.72. Guys, mind you, in October, just 10-11 days, I was able to pull $33. But here in November, the whole of November, I could not even get more than 53. I just added $20 extra from the last month. So you can see that it fluctuates based on different reasons, although everybody's journey on YouTube is actually very much different. And that's why I shared about your CPM and your niches, because that's one of the things that actually determine how much you make, and the geographical location of the people that watch your video. If most of the people watching your video are situated, or if most of the people watching your videos are living in the US, in the UK, Canada, then your CPM is also going to be high. But if they're living in somewhere like Nigeria, India, and all of those kind of places, then your CPM could actually be low too. But I'm also going to be sharing more about the YouTube analytics, the CPM, and all of those kind of things in another video. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on your post notification bell so you don't actually miss that video.
Hope you actually learned something from this video. Mind you, everyone's YouTube journey is actually unique. You could actually make more money than I did in my first month of YouTube. But this video was just to educate you and let you know some of the things that could actually affect the amount of money that you are going to be making on YouTube. So having said that, don't forget, if you're a new YouTube creator and you're struggling with your YouTube script, I already promised that I'm going to be helping 5 people with their YouTube scripts. I'm going to be helping them for free, but after that, I'm also going to be charging those that would come after. But that does not mean you should not try. Reach out to me, use the link in the description section. You could be among the first 5. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I share tips, strategies, and opportunities on how you can make money online for yourself. See you in the next video. Bye.